Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 2824 at ibis Kuala Lumpur City Centre. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door. With the floor plan. To the right, as you enter the room, you have the climate control panel. And below it, you have light switches, the do not disturb and makeup room switches, together with a slot to insert the key card for the room's power. To the left, as you enter the room, down there you have a power outlet. And that is the view that you get as you enter the room. Right here we have the bathroom. To the right of the bathroom is the shower area. It is a dual setup, so you have the rain shower as well as the handheld shower. The toilet is in the middle, and the sink is right there. With a mirror, hello. You have towels right there. The hair dryer. And sort of like a frosted glass window looking into the room. Hooks right there. Okay, as we come out of the bathroom, there's another mirror right there with a light above. Bit of storage right there. That is the bed. It does look quite comfortable. On the right bedside table, you just have place to put your items. You have a power outlet together with light switches and a light right above. Artwork of Kuala Lumpur right above. And right here is sort of like a bedside table integrated into more storage and a desk. And speaking of the desk, we have the chair right there, the bin, more power outlets right there. And right here we have the in-room telephone, writing material, TV remote, more power outlets together with more light switches, and a light right above. Here we have a flat screen Sharp TV. We have lights on either sides of the TV. And right here, we have the pantry/wardrobe area. We have mugs, bottles of water, the kettle, the tea and coffee making stuff, a power outlet, storage below, bedroom slippers right down there. Here, we have the in-room safe. And below it, an empty fridge. Here we have the wardrobe area with hangers, storage right above, a torchlight, an iron. The ironing board is right here. And as for the view, I can see the highway behind the hotel below. One part of Kuala Lumpur right around it. And it is not a bad view. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 2824 at ibis Kuala Lumpur City Centre. Thanks for watching and goodbye.